Hey, what's up, Grapefruit coin holder? Welcome to a new brand video, my brothers. Kindly you must watch this video because in this video I will tell you, my brothers, to this time Grapefruit coin will give you a profit or not. It's time to buy, it's time to sell. Everything I will tell you about a Grapefruit coin, but kindly you need to must watch this video to understand better. So very informative video goes now. Kindly like video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative videos. The price, as you can see, my brothers, time completely lost now. 0.60450675 USD dollar is the latest price of Grapefruit coin, but this time minus 9.9% they are lost now. You can see here BTC, Ethereum, you can see here the price is completely lost now. And just only, my friend, if we check out, my friend, the market cap, so they cannot show here, but here if you can see over there the last 24-hour trading volume, so this is my friend, you can see here 389 lakh USD dollar over there. And circulating supply, if you can see here, they cannot show you. And total supply, I think this is absolutely a million and billions, my brother, and trillion. So my brother, this time you can see us if we just only check out the show more information about this. So my brother, you can see here just in only, my friend, just a minute, yeah, my brother, here is they cannot show, my friend, more information about this. But general, if you can see, my brother, the general price, so last 24 hour you can see here. So just check out the chart reason, my friend, completely they are fails down, they cannot move upward. And especially from last 24 hour, my brother, all crypto market is moving upward now, and it's going to be comfortable. But this time you can see here this coin is not comfortable, my friend. They will dumps down hour by hour, minute by minute. It's time, my brothers, to invest now. But if you are starting investing, so I hope, my brother, they will also move upward now and they will give you a profit. And last 1 hour you can see here they are lost, last 24 hours they are lost, last 7 days they are lost. And how do you feel about Grapefruit coin today? So I am feeling very bad. Yes, absolutely, my friend, you can see here, but 87% people are feeling good now. So congratulations, it's time, my brothers, to investing now, because people are my friend, you can see are feeling very good now about, my brother, Grapefruit coin. But 13% people just in only, my friend, is feeling bad now, and it's time, my brothers, to investing. I hope in upcoming time they will move upward now, but just in only, my friend, if you hold it, so hold, I hope they will moving upward. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type of branded videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.